3, 2, 1 on my TV screen.
Why?
Oh damn, he looks hot in that video. Did you see that? Right when he looked at the camera? Oh look, they're going to watch a movie. Hip Hop Big Bang. Oh damn, I know you like it like that. Gavin's hot.
Interested in my boob.
She's more interested in this thing. They're like watching themselves on the screen. Isn't that funny?
And they find themselves so funny.
They find themselves funny. Gavin looks the best.
How come they didn't look like it?
I wonder when she's getting off her braces. Or is that just part of her style?
I think Fast Few is going to be my favorite because their style is going to be the best.
And they have 2 really cute guys. Hey, look. She's like Bella, man. She's Bella. Oh, damn, it's the wolf pack. No, never mind. It was the vampire clan. It was the Cullens. Oh, damn, she's Bella. Oh, damn. He's Edward. He's Edward. Oh, damn. Who's he? Who's he? We call my boo. Oh, I love this music video. Look down. What's he now? That's what I really want. Yeah. Down. Who? Gavin? Gavin looks cute there.